Let's make some mint extract. It's so easy. The first step is to take all of the leaves off of the stem, and the very easiest and quickest way to do this is to snip off the top, and then just take your hand and pull it backwards down the stem, and all of the leaves will just peel right off. So much easier than trying to hand pick them one by one. After washing it, I'm going to measure it out. I'm making a large batch, so I'm going to measure out 4 cups. You can alter your recipe to make a smaller batch or a bigger batch. Roughly chop it to help it release oils. Next, put them into jars and cover it with vodka or a grain alcohol like this. Put a lid on it, something like this plastic one. I don't like to use these standard metal rings because I'm not sure if they'll react with the alcohol or not. Place them somewhere cool and dry. Leave it in there a couple of months or however long until you have time to deal with it. I made this in July and it is now November, and I'm going to strain it out into a glass jar. I just let it sit and drip while I go about and do other stuff until it stops dripping. Now, I could put a lid on this and it would be fine to go, but I do like to package mine in amber glass. It is best stored in a dark, cool place, and it'll last a very long time, a few years. I've never actually had any go bad, but you can tell if it is. It'll lose its flavor or color or become cloudy, and at that point, just dump it.